What if I told you that you could build a YouTube channel, grow it to thousands of subscribers, and make $1,000 a month without ever recording a single video of yourself? That's exactly what I did. And today, I'll show you step by step how. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share the exact AI workflow I use every week to upload 3 times more videos. Finding the perfect topics. Let's start with the basics. If your topic sucks, your channel won't grow. Simple as that. Most people guess what's popular and fail. Don't do that. I can help you skip all the guessing. Tools like ChatGPT or TubeBuddy's AI suggestions can tell you what people are actually searching for. You type in a few words and boom, you've got dozens of ideas. No more wasting hours brainstorming. Here's the trick. Don't just go for what's trending. Mix trends with evergreen content. Trending topics give you a spike in views. Evergreen content keeps your channel growing consistently. I can find both for you. You see what's peaking now and what will bring traffic months later. That's how creators stay ahead. And yes, AI sometimes gives weird ideas. Don't panic. Pick the ones that fit your style. Pick the ones your audience actually wants. Niche down. Seriously. AI can show you which topics are overcrowded and which ones are open. That's where your big opportunities hide. Focus on what people need, not what you personally like. That's the secret most people miss. Want your channel to grow fast? Stop guessing and start using data. Quick question. If YouTube handed you a free list of trending topics today, would you use it or still guess? Be honest. Comment below. Script writing and thumbnail design. Once you have a topic, you need a script. And here's the beauty of AI. You don't have to write it all yourself. ChatGPT can spit out a full script in minutes. You just tell it the topic, the tone, and your style. Then tweak it. Make it sound like you. Keep sentences short. Make it conversational. People love that. Don't overthink it. AI gives you the skeleton. You add the personality. Now, thumbnails. Big deal. People click based on thumbnails. A boring thumbnail kills views. AI tools like Canva's AI suggestions can help. They suggest colors, fonts, layouts that actually work. You don't have to spend hours designing. A few clicks and you have something that pops. Pair it with a catchy title, and you've got clicks coming in. When I first started, I wasted hours making thumbnails that no one clicked. Then I tried AI-generated designs, and boom! My CTR doubled overnight. Thumbnails and titles must promise value. They should make people feel like, I need to see this now. That's the power of AI, helping you create hooks that get attention fast. So, do you also struggle more with writing scripts or designing thumbnails? Comment below. Video editing. Editing, the part that eats most creators alive. Hours and hours wasted. AI can fix this. Tools like Pictory and Runway can automatically trim long footage, add captions, and even suggest B-roll. Imagine recording one video and having it almost ready in an hour. That's insane. AI can handle repetitive stuff too. Background music? Done. Transitions? Done. Color correction? Done. You focus on storytelling and energy. That's what keeps viewers hooked. Robots can't replace personality. They can only help you speed things up. And faster editing means more videos. Simple. More videos equals more growth. Most people get stuck perfecting one video forever. Don't be that person. AI lets you produce quality faster. Speed wins on YouTube. Always. Just imagine uploading 3 videos a week instead of 1. How much faster could your channel grow? Think about it. Fast editing is cool, But what if I told you, I could also make YouTube itself promote your videos for free? Let's talk SEO. SEO and content optimization. Uploading a video isn't enough. You need people to find it. That's SEO. And AI can do that too. Tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy can optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags in seconds. They tell you what keywords work best. You don't have to guess. AI can also check your competition, see what's working for them, and do it better. Thumbnails, titles, tags, even descriptions. You can optimize everything. And transcripts? AI can make captions automatically. That helps with accessibility and SEO. People find your video more easily. YouTube is the second biggest search engine. Don't forget that. People aren't just scrolling. They're searching for answers. AI can make sure your video is the answer. Consistency is key. AI can even suggest the best days and times to post. You no longer need to guess when your audience is online. Consistency plus SEO equals growth that stacks over time. If you're learning something new so far, smash that like. It helps me keep bringing you more AI hacks. The real strategy. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. You can't just rely on it blindly. The real strategy is combining AI with human creativity. AI finds topics, writes scripts, designs thumbnails, and edits videos. You bring the personality, the storytelling, the voice. That's the winning combo. Don't forget feedback loops. Watch your analytics. See what AI suggestions worked and which didn't. Feed that info back into your AI tools. Then you get smarter ideas next time. The channel grows faster and faster. Also, don't expect instant results. AI speeds up work, but you still need patience. Post consistently. Experiment boldly. Refine constantly. Every viral hit started as a small experiment. With AI, you can run 10 experiments in the time it used to take for one. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to amplify you. More ideas, faster production, better optimization. You get freedom to focus on what matters: storytelling, engagement, and growth. Most creators ignore AI completely, or they use it wrong. They waste hours guessing. You don't have to. Learn to balance AI with your own touch. That's how channels explode. Imagine your content creation process. AI handles boring, repetitive tasks. You focus on creating, connecting, and experimenting. You'll never run out of ideas. You'll never get stuck editing for days. You'll finally have a system that works. Think about uploading videos faster than your competition. Imagine your channel growing while others are still figuring out their first AI tool. That's the advantage right there. At the end of the day, the real strategy is simple. Find hot topics, write scripts that engage, make thumbnails that click, edit fast, optimize with AI, and keep improving. Consistency is your best friend. AI is your secret weapon. Together, they make a channel grow faster than ever. Remember, AI doesn't create magic alone. It's your creativity, your personality, and your persistence that turn views into subscribers. AI just makes the journey faster and easier. Are you ready to start using AI to grow your channel today? Comment below and tell me your biggest challenge. I'll check every response. If you apply all these steps, you'll notice something amazing. Videos that used to take hours now take minutes. Ideas that used to feel impossible now come effortlessly. Your channel grows, your confidence grows, and your audience keeps coming back. The real secret is not just AI. It's AI plus action. It's AI plus creativity. It's AI plus consistency. Get those three right, and you're unstoppable. Think about it. You've got access to tools that can plan your topics, write scripts, design thumbnails, edit, and optimize. You can reach viewers faster than ever before. All you need to do is take action, keep learning, and keep experimenting. And yes, it will take time. You'll make mistakes. Videos won't always hit. But each time you apply AI properly, you get better, faster, smarter. That's growth you can't ignore. Imagine a month from now. You're uploading videos faster. Views are going up. Subscribers are clicking that bell. And it all started with using AI the right way. Sounds good, right? So, don't overthink. Don't wait for perfect. Start with AI, start with your ideas, and start today. Experiment, refine, repeat. That's how creators scale. That's how channels explode. That's how you get the edge everyone wishes they had. Here's the truth. AI isn't replacing creators. It's replacing excuses. The only question left is this: are you going to use it, or are you going to get left behind while others grow their channels? The choice is yours. And if you really learned something new from this, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel, because there is much more to come.